Creole Pizzanini and Pepperoni Discornini. It was worth it. These brain rots. And I only said I got Celeste for brain rot, but my video was too long. They're saying this is too long, too long. They think it's too long, but at least I'm too unky than you. How about this? If I get a mythic brain rot, I'll end this. No, secret brain rot, I'll end this. It's a deal. Oh. Okay. On din 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 don. Los vaquitas eternitas, onks, onk, onk. Boy, miss! Los vaquitas eternitas. Quick, 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 quick. Los vaquitas eternitas. Los vaquitas. Vaquitas, vaquitas, vaquitas. Está over. You gotta lock in only mythic stuff. No secret stuff I meant. No, mythic. To. You got to. To. Yes. Yo, I'm ending this. I got him.